This is not an extraordinary situation anymore. Do not think of it as a special situation. This is, I hate to use the overused phrase, but this is the new normal.
Typhoon Ragasa, the strongest storm this year, swept through the Philippines. It brought heavy rains and floods, what President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. characterized as the new normal in July.
In the Philippines, one of the biggest problems is its weakness to floods. The Philippines, being a small country surrounded by water, is constantly bombarded with typhoons of varying strengths. The topography of the Philippines is also a factor. Low-altitude locations are severely affected due to flash floods caused by flowing water coming from high areas. In recent years, another factor that has strengthened these floods are the very inefficient sewer and flood control systems that have been developed.
These floods have continued to damage infrastructure and harm the lives and well-being of the people. Because of this problem, people have recently tried creating flood barriers to block out floods from entering their houses. The problem with these flood barriers is the unpredictability of these floods. If people don't put these flood barriers in time, their houses will be flooded with water. This research aims to provide a way for people to be protected, or at the very least, given more time whenever flash floods and normal floods start to happen.
However, we, Team C.O.P.S, from St. Mary's College Incorporated of Quezon City, with Alfonso Barrientos, Eve Pangilinan, Neol Epres, and I, Z. General Dan, beg to differ. This is C.O.P.S, or Flood Containment and Prevention System. It may look like a simple dam, but it has more features.
Our robot has 2 towers that carry its motors, wiring, and a buzzer to warn people of the flooding. The motors in the tower pull up the flood wall via pulley system to slow down or stop the flood water from getting farther. Hidden in the second tower, there are RGB sensors that change color depending on the height of the flood and a buzzer to help warn people of the flood. It has a third tower to the side that uses distance sensors to sense the height of the water, and depending on the level of the flood level, it releases a rope, a life vest, or a lifeboat. The real-world impact of our project is it allows people to evacuate from floods and hard rain, alerts them via the buzzer, and lets the community have more time to evacuate when raising the flood wall. This could benefit the community because it would lessen the damages and problems in the community by protecting it from flash floods and hard rain. Our project could benefit everyone by helping and protecting them during floods.
In conclusion, our robot was built to help and protect a community against floods. This project is only a stepping stone, opening up plenty of opportunities to learn and improve our robot's design and purpose to let it be more consistent and safer for the public.
Sa mga naranasan nating hirap, pagod at perwisyo, at sa mga narinig nating kwento tungkol sa katakot-takot na pangungurakot nitong nagdaang mga araw,
the depth of corruption has become so overwhelming.
Hindi mahirap isipin na hindi pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan, kundi kasakiman.